Okay, so we're back with the John Deere X530. You can see I have the tractor put back together, and I have the tiller installed. Right now I have it raised up. You can see there's the lift linkage right there. It goes to the tiller and then to that tractor, that part I showed you earlier. You can see right there that the subframe of the tiller hooks onto that bushing bolt thing right there, which is also part of the rocker arm that was installed, and that holds up the back of the tiller, and runs clear through here, and it connects to the outside, and right down here you can see it. That is the hydraulic pump, and the pulley that spins the pump is connected by a pulley to the engine up here, to the PTO. Let's get down here on the ground. So right there's the engine PTO. There's a belt that runs to the pulley system on the tiller that spins the pump, that pumps the hydraulic fluid that turns the tiller. The front of the tiller hook to these bolts that are on the frame, and I noticed that I installed those incorrectly for the second time, so there'll be a third time I'll have to fix that, but it's working well enough I can show you this. The thing that's interesting is that basically the 42-inch hydraulic tiller, the yellow part back there, that's the same tiller whether you have a John Deere like a GX series or a John Deere 335, 300 series, all that. The difference is this black subframe. So if you happen to see one used on eBay or something, this tiller part will fit your tractor. What you would have to do is make sure that the subframe is designed for your X540, X530 tractor, and if you don't, you'd have to go buy one and replace it. Now, I think I saw on John Deere's site that subframe runs probably around like $250 or something like that, and it just bolts on right here to the tiller. And this tiller is reversible. You can actually take this subframe off, flip it around so that it would face out this way, put this door on the back over here, and you can change the direction in which the tills. This arrow right here tells you which way it's turning now. It says that's factory, and that's to dig through sod. That's the like sod breaker. Alright, so I have it on the tractor. This lever right here, that runs the PTO, so that would actually turn the tiller on and off. And let's get over here on this side. This button right here is what runs the hydraulics. So let me start up and I'll show you. Alright, so we have the tractor running. I'll show you the hydraulics here. We'll put the tiller down. That raises the tiller up. And the other side, runs the tiller. Pretty cool. So, pretty pleased with it. So later today we'll take it out and we'll get it in the dirt and we'll take some pictures of it. I have a neighbor that asked me to level out their backyard. They had some ruts from a truck. So we'll take it over there and see what it does.